Good evening, everyone. I'm Durgesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class Asta. Today, I want to discuss about my life and about me. I always keep on thinking about myself. That what do I have to do in my life? What's my purpose? What's my goal? Every time I keep on thinking, and always I am willing to ready that I have to do something different, and I have to do for my family members and for my career. I have also tremendous atmosphere to do something different. Whenever I think that I start doing something different, I learn more than more. But I still, I'm still thinking about myself that no, I have to learn more than more. I have to do something different in my life because I think that as far as my concern, I have to do lots of things. I have to enhance my knowledge, utilize my times, learn skills, and I have to show my talent to people so that they could understand what's my value in the market. I want to be a English speaker, good English speaker. I think that I know English, and I also think that I have no any hesitation while speaking English. But to some extent, I think that I have to learn English, and for a while I forget what did I speak. After a while, I remember that I had spoken like this. I should not have spoken these words. So I try to forget all these things. I try to pronounce words and many things. Still, I am thinking that I keep on studying. I will keep on studying, and I have courage to do something different in my life. But just I want to say to you that if you are a learner, being a learner, you should think about yourself that also you are not be able to satisfy by your own self that no, I have to do work, I have to learn more. Now I have to start my session from today's. Now I have to tell the people that what's my require for them, what's my honors to on my work. Many problems I'm facing, and people ask what kind of papers, what kind of problems are you facing right now. We tell them that we are facing like this, all this. These are things. But I'm not facing any problems. Only I'm thinking about myself that I have to improve my English more than more. I have to talk in English and use different type of words so that everybody could hear me and while talking because I know what's my persona, what do I have to do, how to enhance my knowledge in English field, and how to do something different for my career, for my family members, for my coming up future because I have only 1 year to show to do something different, work hard and keep passions with consistency. I want to do work with continuity. It's on wish to do something different for our family members, for our career. Guys, we have golden opportunity. Today also I'm extremely feeling to be talking about these things that like as I'm learner. Sometimes I fed up on talking English and I went on blaming on me that no, you didn't learn anything else, you have to learn more than more, more than more. Every time I keep on thinking about myself, I know that I'm in the mood of speaking English. I'm the courageous person to learn English. I'm interested in learning English. What I want to do in my life, I'm doing. Every time I will keep on learning, using English words, reading newspaper, listening English video, try to understand people's thoughts, all these things, whatever they want to speak. They mention their idea, and I don't want to criticize any people, any person that they have no knowledge about English, all these things. But I think about myself that I'm being a learner. I should learn. I keep on learning about myself. I must do. As my sir told me today, that you need to understand. You need to learn about. If you have vocab more, then you will learn. You will try to speak about whatever topic you want to speak. English, coaching, ultimate, any whatever topic do you want to choose, you can choose. I need to understand that what should I prefer. I should prefer is to speak English. Yeah, I should prefer to talk in English. Yeah, while talking English, I should listen English video to listen to people so that I can do something different. I think that I am the perfect person. I am the person of words. I'm learning. You know, it's easy to say that you are learning English daily, but it's hard to discuss to people. I know very well that speaking English is not a big deal, but speaking English is not a big deal, but learning is a very big deal, and it's a time to learn English, and it is a good way to find out our errors, what are we speaking, make our video, and watch that what did I speak wrong, all these things, see in the mirror, improve your public speaking and personality development, your communications, how will you communicate to people, what should them convince, all these things I need to understand. Also, I have a lack of vocabs, and I'm facing some because of me. I'm thinking about myself that due to lack of some different criteria, I'm not able to do it. But if I do, to it will be benefit for me. That's why I want to say to you all, so you can do it, because with the help of this level, you can be a perfect person and whatever you want to become in your life. My journey started from the very small town, very poor family. I belong from the nuclear family members. From the family, my father is a farmer, my mother she is a homemaker. We are seven brothers and sisters. My journey is too far that I left whatever I want to do in my life. I I never thought back that I have to back my home to something different. I came a middle class from family, and that earlier I had no any opportunity to do something different in my life. My family every time kept on saying to me that you can do it, you have courage of doing something different, whatever they wanted to say to me. I learned so many things from my family members. They supported me. They convinced me that you can do it. You have power of words. I came in a school, so I had no knowledge about English. That how will I speak English? And having spoken English, what will I do? I must learn English. I came to Ashta. Uh, Before coming to Ashta, I studied 12 till 12th. I completed my 12th class. After that, I came to Ashta. I had no knowledge about English, and I was not able to speak, even though I was not able to translate any sentences. My friend suggested me come to Ultimate. I came to Ultimate. I learned here English. My friend supported me. He emphasized me. He convinced me that you can do something different. You have the courage of doing something different. He taught me a lot of things. I came here and tried to learn. I worked hard, 24 hours. Every time kept on thinking in English. I think about myself. I'm the biggest weak person in the world who never knew about English. What is a English, and how will I will speak all these things, because I was weak earlier. Today I'm weak. But I think I'm from middle class family, and I study in what we can say Hindi medium school. Now I am teaching in English medium. So my life changed. Something different happened in my life. It the tremendous atmosphere I took. I learned so many things. Also, I keep on learning today. So I want to say, if I can do it, why you cannot do it? You can also do it. You have the golden opportunity. Whatever you want to do in your life, definitely you can do it. So I think that I have to learn more than more. But sometimes I feel bad. Uh, like it seems that I have never done anything else. I'm the not courageous person. Sometimes I feel bad. I think about myself that I'm likely to leave all these things I don't want to do in my life. Okay, and means I think that I have to learn more than more, but I am still thinking. I'm thinking yet. I'm thinking that what do I have to do? I have done my all these things. I'm not be able to understand that what do I have to do. What's my purpose in my life? uh, Teaching is my hobby. I'm teaching, and I think about myself that in coming time I will become good speaker. I will be who person. I would be who person. Someone uh, comes to meet me, ask me question, do something different. So I want to say to you that don't give up. Keep on learning. Be honest. Be compassionate. Do work with consistency, follow your rules, your idea, show your legacy. People wants to do like what do you want to do. I often say do something different like world, do what you like. Guys, I'm Trigesh Brahmbhatt from Ultimate Class आस्था। कर दिखाओ कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे आपके जैसा। जय हिंद, जय भारत।